y'all, I'm stressed. I'm chewing this gum so hard. This is part 2 of my apartment reset series. Let's just get right into it, y'all. mess.com. mess.com. If you are new here, my name is Tiana. If you are returning, welcome back to my channel. I have makeup that I bought here. I bought this makeup probably like 4 months ago, just sitting here. It says September 20th, 2024. What I got? A velvet liquid lipstick, Trace Style lip liner, gloss heat, setting powder. Oh my god. A blush. Like, really, Tiana? No, but like, this just goes to show how much all these different roles we be in autopilot. So just really plan out some time to where you can pour back into yourself. Again, a clean space helps you just have mental clarity. It was a desk I used for school. Then I turned it into like a vanity. And then I have makeup over there in that box. Makeup is all in here. Shelving. This for makeup. I have so many things. I wanted to organize my makeup. I need a matcha. These are matcha essentials. Sweet cream, oat milk, and ceremonial matcha blend. I needed that. So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding. Then we just keep adding. Okay, y'all. So I have all my makeup brushes in here. They don't look too dirty, but I think I'm gonna still just do a video of me cleaning them. It's the new year, so I just really want to start fresh. I don't really want to take dirty brushes into my new 2025 makeup routine. I'm gonna try using this soap. I usually wash my brushes with just Dawn dish soap. I'm cleaning up, Quincy. Okay, show me later. Yes. Okay. I don't know if there's any other mom friends out there that watch my videos, but that is like one of my biggest struggles right now is just not being able to get up and just jump to my son when he wants me to watch him play a game or do an arts and craft project with him. That's something that I'm really like learning how to navigate. He's learning to like, okay, not right now, but mommy will come back and play with me. But if anyone else struggles with that, that's a content creator, let me know in the comments like how you deal with that, how you navigate it and things like that. But moving on, I'm just going to throw all my makeup into this travel makeup kit that I have. If you use a nice makeup carrier when you travel, definitely let me know because I'm looking for something that is chic, nice, that's also very useful when it comes to different compartments for this and that. Fenty Beauty Matchstick, baby, ran it down. Ran it completely down. No more even comes out. So I'm going to just throw this out. I do have another product I bought to replace that. Again, I need to add it to my new products. Y'all, I'm going to start doing a new product a day. Not a day. A new product a week on short form and long form. So be sure you're following me on my socials and subscribe to my channel. But this is the product that I replaced it with. I was looking for something a little more premium. So I'm going to try. Wait, this is not even what I was looking for. This is really, really crazy. Like a Morphe unopened gloss, another Fenty liner. Like, what is going on, y'all? Then I don't know if y'all use, what is it called? It's not Albert, or is it Albert? It's either Albert or Rocket Money, but it just like tracks your spending and stuff. And it was like, oh, last month, I don't know if it said last month or over the last few months, you spent $1,000 at this store. And I just know it wasn't talking about Sephora. I just know it was not talking about Sephora. I just didn't even click on it because I was going to be sick to my stomach. So this is the Lys or LYS bronzing stick. Super creamy. I cannot wait to use it. I really want to try it right now, but y'all just stay tuned for those videos. And then I got this Patrick top. And I'm not even going to lie. After I heard some of the reviews about him not paying black creators, I don't know. But I'm going to add this to the pile of new stuff. This is really, really crazy. Like, but I'm excited because when I have the time to make the content that I've been wanting to make for y'all, and for myself, to be honest, like, I love planning makeup. I love doing my makeup, vibing out. So I'm just really, really excited that the time has finally come where I can really just sit and do me. Here go another new product. Like, so the content is going to be rolling. But let's go and add the rest of this stuff in here. Like gum, really, Tiana?
You so damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. He said the king where we come from. Taking your quits to no one. So baby, I'ma drive it like it's stolen. I'ma fix it like it's broken. We can catch a flight to London. Go to the mall for the lump sum. They can try to catch up to us, but they're too busy making assumptions. Boy, you know all I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
Let's get into these drawers. I'm gonna empty these out and add my clear trays. Look at this. What can I put in here? What do I want to use today? I think I got this from Target out that little dollar section, but it was $5. Makeup galore, lashes, trays, just a whole bunch of stuff. So let's go through this. These lashes I really do like, so I think I'm gonna keep these in my drawer. It has bottom lashes, and then just, yeah, I'm gonna keep this because I really did like these lashes, so I'm gonna hang on to these. This is like 10 years old. I don't know why I'm still hanging on to it. I know you're supposed to throw makeup out after some time. Yeah, it still looks fine. Probably not my color. It look a little light. Yeah, I think that's why I didn't like it, because it was like, it made me look a little washed. Now I'm like, do this look right? This might, it does make me look a little washed out, but once you add your bronzer, your blush, this might be able to work. I think I'm gonna put my foundations in this little spin container. I think that looks very cute. Oh my gosh, I thought I lost this powder. this like setting powder. So y'all know I usually use the one size. It's just a white translucent setting powder. But I've been looking for this one because it gives you that like warm under eye type glow. Let me just demonstrate. Like it gives you that like, I don't know, it just looks more warm because it has that caramel, brown, yellow, banana, whatever tint to it. This is in the shade Honey Rihanna Pro Filter setting powder. And I usually use this under my eyes. But then there was a point in time I stopped liking looking so golden. So I'm going to run that back and see if I'm back into that. So I use this to lash. I'm also selling my lash stuff. If you see my last video, you know I'm selling all of my lash tech stuff. So I'm going to add this to the pile for whoever picks it up. I do have this girl wanting to pick it up. And she's like, is that, what is she saying? She was like, I have it on there for $200, everything included. But she was like, hey, are you firm on the price? And I was like, the lowest I could do is $150. But then I've just been thinking like, I'm probably going to give it to her for free. I feel like that's going to start off my new year good. Just giving back. Because at the end of the day, if nobody buys it, I'm just going to throw it out. Moving on. Y'all remember I used to sell lashes? And Lord, just forgive me. Because why did I name these lashes this? They are really, really cute. So I have a lot of these lashes just sitting in a box. Here's another pair called Black Barbie. So I'm also thinking about just opening my site back up and selling these for really, really cheap. Because I don't want to throw these out, but also I don't like super long extensions anymore. We have more brushes. These brushes most definitely need to be clean. Y'all, this makes my heart happy because I remember only having like literally a few brushes, but now look at this. I would have thought I was a makeup artist or something. More brushes. Dang, and these still have the wrapper on them.
So crazy, think about my, it's the way you walk, way you talk, babe. It's the way you look, way you wait.
This YSL. When I tell you, baby, put this on when you going to a water park or you going on vacation and you're going to be at the beach all day because it's not moving. Even when you use makeup wipes, oil, whatever, it's very hard to get off. This is the YSL Lash Clash Waterproof. Do y'all know what this little nail is for? My mom, I found it in my mom's stuff when she passed. It's like a little black nail, and I'm like, do people actually put this on? Like, it's metal. It's like a gold nail. And wherever she got it from, it says $4. But I've just been like holding on to it because I don't know what else to do with it. I can't wait to try this Refi primer. I know I'm late to it. I don't care. Patrick Ty foundation. Just get him brown lip liner just to get it.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl.
My favorite Fenty. I should probably throw this one out. I should definitely throw this one out. It's like literally gone. I didn't even really get to use this one like that because I dropped it maybe a month into having it.
Like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Really against really less. with a sick ass hump and a slick ass slump. Catch up with around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty. I'm a full goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the coast right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right there. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they wishing for the boy rain down. Goddamn, by the time of the year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell that from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now?
Now that I'm separating out my makeup, I just know I'm going to, like, everything is visible, so I just know, like, I'm gonna just have so much more fun with it because I'm not just grabbing things that I'm used to. I'm actually being intentional, like, oh, let me pick this up and see what this does. Ooh, we almost done. I got this lip plumper from Dollar Tree. It actually works good. I know this is not the one I had since college. It don't even... Trash. This is the Fenty. Oh, I don't know why I got this chocolate color, but clearly... I smoke cigarettes. Don't ask me why I got this color. Quincy, can you grab me a piece of tissue? How you think this lip color look on me?
Good.
You sure?
It looks good.
Your honest opinion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Be for real. Okay, y'all, that is going to wrap up this part 2 of my apartment reset series. This was just my vanity makeup organization. So this was half of my room. So that's going to wrap up this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I do have a lot of space on my tiers as well as in my drawers. I have like 2 empty drawers to add stuff. So as I go through all this new makeup I have, like, me actually seeing it is kind of wild. But once I go through all this makeup that I have and add it to the drawers and then get more trays and more PR coming in, like, I think it'll work out. The fact that I have space to add is good. But yeah, please let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, this was really fun to do. My makeup really needed cleaning. I really need to go through what I don't use anymore and throw stuff out. So I recommend doing this definitely as a New Year reset, because out with the old and with the new, and the stuff that we're no longer using, it's time to go. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for part 3. Part 3... I don't know if I'm gonna do my closet yet, but maybe I'll do the top of my dresser right here and then go through my drawers. I have to organize my swimsuits. I have like these cute little swimsuit plastic bags to put each individual swimsuit in. I have these little plastics for my like earrings, and just stay tuned for that. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.